This is the EZPIK grabber, which they sent to us so we could show it to you. And I like that it folds down into this small, probably, what, about 12, 16 inches long or whatever, little space here. But it has the hinges so you can extend it. And it has the little spots here where the tubes go into to hold it closed and stuff. So that's nice that it will actually stay held closed. I've had these in the past where they didn't stay held closed and I had to use like a rubber band or piece of Velcro strap or something like that. But they got the little latches here that hold it open, hold the tubes open there. And then right here, little latch that holds that open. And you got the little handle there. And you got the little grabber pieces on the end here, and you can see the little magnets on the outside there, so you can pick something up without having to bend over if you drop something that's like your keys or something that's metallic. That would be. And well, the other feature I really like about this is it actually goes from horizontal to vertical. You just kind of pull this out and twist, and then you can do it the other direction. You can rotate it 90 degrees. Well, you can rotate it all the way around and stuff, but whether you want it horizontal or vertical to grab whatever it is you need to grab, that's pretty cool. So I'm going to look behind the couch and see if there's anything I need to grab. Okay, so behind the couch here, I have a little paper plate holder, which I remember dropping back there. It fell off of my side table and went back there, and then a bottle of supplements of some kind back there on this side, and then on the other side where somebody else sits.
Yeah, I've been like missing my sea moss gummies for a while.
There's stuff down there. I don't know if you can really see. There's a pouch and a Kleenex box and I don't know what else, some other things down there. So
oh boy.
I'm going to see if I can hold this camera here while I reach back with the grabber.
It's almost like playing those games at the fair with the crane, isn't it?
Yeah, it almost is. Let's see if we can.
And your prize is?
Let's see if I can. Okay, maybe there's a paper plate holder right there. Ika-boka. Get that out of there. And then there's my towel. It's what I call a couch towel for when I'm eating on the couch and I don't want to make a mess on my lap. That really wasn't the grabber's fault. That was my fault because I'm trying to manipulate all this stuff and hold the camera in one spot too. So there's the couch towel, and then there was also a bottle of supplements or something back there. See if I can get that, if I can see it. There we go. Oh, look at that. It was very slick and easy. Good. All right, I think I'm going to turn the camera off to retrieve the other stuff that's down there, but good stuff. Oh, I appreciate that because I always need a grabber, and my last grabber broke, so there you go.